Okay, so our job today is going to be counting by tens and identifying those numbers when we count by tens. So let's look at number 3 first. It says we're going to draw a circle around the missing numbers in the following pattern. So we're going to listen to the pattern and then see what is missing. So we have 10, 20, 30. Now there's something missing. What would be missing next? Yes, 40, so we're going to circle it. Then it says 50. Oh, what would be next? Okay, 60. Then 70. Okay, we're missing the 2 that follow that. So 80, 90, then 100. Okay, on number 4, our job is very simple. We're going to be counting the cubes and figuring out how many. Now, you could count each one as you went, but we know that if there is a whole rod of 10, then we can just count by tens for each rod. 10, 20, 30. How many are there in all? 30. Let's circle it. Next one, same thing, count by tens and count each row. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So here we have 70, so we're going to find 70, 7 and a 0, and circle it. Last one, again, counting by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Where is 80? Yes, 80 looks like an 8 and a 0. So let's go ahead and circle that. Okay, we're going to do it again. We're going to count by tens and figure out how many are in each group. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 60 is a 6 and a 0. So circle 6 and a 0. Number 8, with the purple cubes, we're going to do the same strategy. Again, you're just counting by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay, where's circle 100? Now here at the bottom, it wants us to write all the decade numbers in order. So down here, I want you to write 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, go to the next row, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Now, your job today is going to be to complete the last 2 worksheets I just went over with you. When you're done, make sure that you hit save and then submit.